thump, thump, woof, wee, wee. Come along, let's sing and play about pets we love in their own way. History, sounds, and kids' big cheers. Furry, feathery, friends through the years. Egyptian sands, they ruled the land. Guardians of treasure, sleek and grand. Kids now giggle when they pounce and purr. Meow, meow. A cuddly fur blur, waddling through the farmyard breeze. Feathered for eggs and ponds to freeze. Splish, splash, kids toss them bread. Quack, quack. A waddling tread. Fluffy, feathered, big and small. We love them one and all. Oh, cats and ducks and bunnies so wild. Dogs with slobber and guinea pigs that smile. From ancient times to your bedroom floor, they're our best friends forevermore. Meow. Quack, thump, thump, woof, wee, wee. Kids love you loud, kids love you all. You're the best crew by our side. Hopping through meadows, Europe's old tale. Now in hutches with cow to inhale. Nose twitch, flop, flop, kids sneak a peek. Thump, thump, they're playing hide and seek. Wolves who learn to trust our hand now fetch sticks in every land. Loyal, goofy, protector too. Woof, wee, I love you. Fluffy, feathered, big and small. We love them one and all. Oh, cats and ducks and bunnies so wild. Dogs with slobber and guinea pigs that smile. From ancient times to your bedroom floor, they're our best friends forevermore. Guinea pigs squeak, Incas knew their charm. Snack time, veggies in tiny paws warm. Cats on laps, ducks in a row. Bunnies zoom, dogs shout hello. History's cool but love's the key. Pets and kids best family. Furry, feathery, big or petite, you make our world complete. Meow, quack, thump, thump, woof, wee.